Hello and welcome back to SciTi Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple DIY phone stand from an old vlog cam that I tore down from a previous video, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get started. I have right here my old vlog cam that is broken, and I'm going to go ahead and tear it down and extract the part that I need to make this phone stand. From a previous video, I did a teardown of this vlog cam, extracting the parts that I thought was useful. Click on the annotation card from above to see this video. First, what I'm going to do is do what I always do: take a screw, see a screw, take a screw, see a screw, and remove all of the screws that I can find. And now the LCD panel is now removed. Take a closer look and see how I can delicately remove the ribbon cable. Can't really do it in this angle, so I need to tear it down some more. And there we go, some more screws are now removed, and the back panel is now removed, which this part is going to be used for the phone stand. Now I'm going to go ahead and put all the other parts to the side and continue building the phone stand. And as you can see, this back panel will make a perfect phone stand. What I need to do is modify it to make it better. Right here, I have this back panel, and what I need to do is modify it in order to make the phone stand better. The phone, as you can see, fits, but it doesn't go in all the way. That's because there are some pieces that are obstructing it. So what I need to do is go a little deeper and remove this piece. And there we go, removed. And the phone already fits a lot better. That's actually very good. If I wanted to, I could stop right here. But it's not enough support, so I'm going to go ahead and modify a little bit more. You can see the phone sits in, but still slides. That's a problem, so I need to modify some more. What I'm going to do is open up this part right here, which is normally for the battery pack. And this part here is what was supporting the phone, so what I need to do is remove the battery pack in order to support the phone better. And now carefully remove it. Comes off just like this. Rotate it, and the idea is to place it right here, which will support the phone perfectly. And as you can see, that looks very nice and very simple. What I need to do is cut off some more pieces to make it fit better. And as you can see, it fits a lot better. Cut off some more pieces. And as you can see, it fits perfectly now. And there, she'll look just like this. Next, what I'm going to do is take some super glue and glue it into place. And now, take a dab of super glue and place it on. And as you can see, I have to take out the super glue this way because the top of the super glue is actually stuck. So I have to go through this method. A little bit sloppy, but still works. So brush on some of the super glue directly to this panel. Put it into place. Spray some activator. And there we go, stays in place. Add some more super glue and glue it into place. Spray some activator. And now add more super glue and spray some more activator. And there, now it's glued into place. Now it's nice and strong. And there, as you can see, it is now complete. Let's go ahead and test it out. And as you can see, it works. It is now perfect. Now my phone stays in place. Excellent. Holding into place, nice and strong. I can bend it in this angle and look at my phone. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own DIY phone stand from an old vlog cam. A very interesting and simple project to make. Thank you for watching SciTech Tech. Hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future SciTech Tech videos. To the next tech, goodbye.